Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this is CNBC News. Dogecoin Spikes 400% and a week, stalking fears of cryptocurrency bubble. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is a very good news for a Dogecoin holder because Dogecoin is going very fastly up like a rocket. You can see here the last Dogecoin is worth and 7.10 p.m. You can see here this time 0.000254 US dollar, and I hope they can hit 1 US dollar. To if you agree with me to they can hit 1 US dollar, then please like this video. You can see here 4 at 3 UTC, 1 Dutch is currently worth 1 Dutch. Absolutely, you can see here. And if you agree a Dutch to a 1 US by 420, if you agree, hit the like to the moon button. Oh my goodness, this is good news for Dogecoin. So let's see the Dogecoin chart. To the Dogecoin is going up in upcoming days or going down. This is production video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel if you are really like our videos. Please subscribe for more this type informative videos. Oh my goodness, I think XRP also hit the Dogecoin is easily hit XRP if they're moving up like this, and XRP gone like you can see here. The current situation is very bad for XRP, but Dogecoin is moving 100 or 12.55% going up. Oh my goodness, very fast speed, my friend, very fast speed. Okay, in the last 24-hour result, the Dogecoin is going very fastly, and I think 500 plus they can change occur. Oh my goodness, this time I think 118% they're going up, my friend. And my prediction is very good. My prediction is that today going up in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. Absolutely, because there's non-stop and they are ready for the moon. Millionaire, they make you absolutely millionaire. They billionaire, they make you billionaire. Absolutely, you can see here this time 0.4. Oh my goodness, what a change in the price, guys. I can't believe this. 0.41559 US dollar. This time the price is non-stop, and I hope they hit it 1 US dollar just in 1 month, or if they go at this speed, absolutely they can hit it. What you say, tell me please. My expectation is very good from that because I see this news, then the targeting with their or say and Twitter. Absolutely, this is unbelievable, but I hope they can hit it. Their Dogecoin is going very fastly, my friend. You can see here this here is not dump, only and jump. Absolutely jump. They are jump very fastly. They are jump like a Spider-Man, friend, and they're going like a rocket up. So my friends, congratulations, we are ready for the moon. Let's go to moon, my friends. What you said, please like button if you can see this. They can hit easily 1 US dollar and they cross XRP. If you can see here they can cross XRP, then please like and comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe.